Deep in the universe, far beyond the familiar glow of stars, exist objects so dense, so extreme, that they challenge our very understanding of matter. These are magnetars, neutron stars with magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's, spinning in silence, yet holding within them the secrets of physics at its absolute limits. A magnetar begins life in fire and violence. It is born from the death of a massive star, one many times the mass of our Sun. When such a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer support its own weight. Gravity overwhelms the core. In a cataclysmic collapse, the outer layers explode in a supernova, while the core is crushed into an object so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. This newborn neutron star is already extreme. Its mass concentrated into a sphere only about 20 kilometers across. But in rare cases, the core retains conditions that generate the strongest magnetic fields known in the universe. The result is a magnetar. Magnetars are not ordinary neutron stars. Their magnetic fields are so powerful that they can distort atoms, stretch nuclei, and even rearrange the quantum vacuum. These fields are capable of cracking the crust of the star, releasing bursts of energy that can briefly outshine entire galaxies. They are cosmic dynamos, where the physics of matter and energy meet in ways we can scarcely imagine. The magnetar's interior is a realm beyond replication on Earth. The core is composed primarily of neutrons, packed so densely that the distance between them is measured in femtometers, a millionth of a nanometer. Protons and electrons have merged under extreme pressure, leaving a fluid of neutrons that behaves like a quantum superfluid. The density rises toward the center, where a teaspoon would weigh as much as a mountain, compressed into a space no larger than a sugar cube. Scientists cannot peer directly inside these objects. Not yet. Instead, they rely on indirect observations, X-rays, gamma-ray bursts, rotational changes, and the timing of pulsations. Each signal carries clues about the inner workings of the star, the thickness of the crust, the rigidity of the core, the strength and structure of the magnetic field. Through these glimpses, humanity slowly reconstructs the anatomy of the densest known stars. A magnetar's magnetic field dominates its behavior. The field is not uniform. It twists and tangles like cosmic spaghetti, storing enormous energy that can suddenly release in bursts of radiation. These starquakes fracture the crust, sending ripples through the neutron-rich interior. The energy radiated in a single flare can equal what the sun emits in 100,000 years. These bursts are both violent and fleeting. For a brief moment, the magnetar becomes one of the brightest objects in the sky, emitting gamma rays and X-rays detectable across the galaxy. Then, silence returns. The star continues its slow spin, typically between 2 and 12 seconds per rotation, an eternity compared to a pulsar spinning hundreds of times per second, yet measured in human comprehension as rapid. The life of a magnetar is a story of decay. The magnetic field, so extreme, cannot remain forever. Over tens of thousands of years, the field dissipates, releasing energy and gradually weakening. The magnetar's crust cools, its bursts become less frequent, and it slowly settles into a quieter state. A neutron star that may still exist but no longer dominates its surroundings. Yet even in their quiet state, magnetars remain extraordinary. The densities within their cores are unmatched. Matter exists in phases that challenge physics. The strong nuclear force, the weak force, degeneracy pressure, and the effects of relativity all collide in a delicate balance that prevents the star from collapsing further into a black hole. at least for a time. Scientists study these objects not only to understand magnetars themselves, but also to probe fundamental physics. Within the core, pressures reach beyond what can be achieved in any laboratory. The behavior of matter under such conditions informs theories of nuclear physics, particle interactions, and even the limits of our understanding of quantum mechanics and gravity. Magnetars are, in effect, natural laboratories at the frontier of physics. Observations of magnetars began with the detection of mysterious gamma-ray sources in the late 20th century. Initially, these bursts were enigmatic, with no clear origin. But as X-ray and gamma-ray telescopes advanced, patterns emerged. Slowly, astronomers began to piece together the connection between bursts, spin rates, and magnetic fields. The identity of magnetars as distinct from ordinary neutron stars became clear. Some magnetars appear to be born in isolation, while others may have companions. Their birthplaces are often star-forming regions, rich with massive progenitors. When a massive star ends its life in supernova, a magnetar may remain, a compact remnant spinning in the remnants of the stellar explosion. Over time, it may move through the galaxy, a solitary beacon of extreme physics. The surface of a magnetar is no less extraordinary. It is a solid crust of neutron-rich nuclei, only about a kilometer thick, floating atop the dense core. Yet even this crust is brittle under immense stress from the magnetic field below. Starquakes fracture the crust, shifting mountains of neutron material and triggering bursts that reverberate across space. Time behaves differently near a magnetar. General relativity predicts that the intense gravity of the star warps space-time, bending light and slowing clocks. A photon emitted near the surface may take a distorted path to reach a distant telescope, and time dilation near the core is extreme. Within the magnetar, processes occur on scales and with speeds that strain comprehension. Magnetars challenge imagination. Their very existence pushes the limits of matter and energy, gravity and magnetism, quantum mechanics, and relativity. They are not merely stars. They are physical extremes, cosmic laboratories, and reminders of the universe's capacity for the extraordinary. Over millions of years, the life of a magnetar may end quietly. Its magnetic field decays. Its bursts cease. The core remains, a dense, spinning neutron star, silent and inscrutable. Eventually, even these remnants may cool and fade into near invisibility, leaving only the faint imprint of their past eruptions across space. And yet, for a brief window in cosmic time, magnetars exist in their violent majesty. They flash with gamma rays that can alter planetary atmospheres across thousands of light years. They pulse with the rhythm of their spin. They harbor the densest matter in the universe outside of black holes, wrapped in magnetic fields that distort reality itself. In studying magnetars, humanity peers into the extremes of nature. We glimpse matter in its most compressed form. We witness physics pushed to the edge. And we are reminded that the universe is far larger, stranger, and more powerful than any mind on Earth can fully grasp. They are cosmic paradoxes, quiet in space, yet explosive in power, small in size, yet colossal in influence, ephemeral in bursts, yet eternal in density. They are the universe's pressure cookers, the laboratories of extremes, the silent witnesses to physics beyond imagination. A magnetar is more than a star. It is a story written in neutrons, energy, and magnetic fury. Its core is the densest landscape we can envision. Its surface a brittle skin stretched to its limits. Its life a symphony of collapse and release, rhythm and decay, extreme gravity, and unfathomable magnetism. In the silence of the cosmos, magnetars spin. They burst, they fade, and in their fleeting brilliance, we are reminded of the extraordinary possibilities that lie within the universe's densest hearts.